Yeah, so when it comes to getting back into shape, what you have to do is you have to work on the body. And you could choose that to do that by working in a gym, which is like, body is like ice, it's gross, and you chisel the ice, and it has the results you want. Or you could do something which is more intense, like yoga, which is the joining of mind and body, and that then brings people into greater level of suppleness, because they're invoking mind, which is subtler, which is like water. So it's like water shaping the ice. But when you work with biohacking systems, you are invoking the mind, body, and the spirit, the energy that is like steam. So imagine you give in a couple of jets of steam and a block of ice. You can do wonders with it very fast, and then smoothen the edges with mental programming, which is water. So biohacking is great for getting back into shape, great for removing chronic ailments, because you're invoking some very powerful energies.